Hello. In today's video I will show you how to transcribe a video and translate it automatically. The first thing I do is create a project. Here I select the option to create a video. I now choose my video here, which is in English. I can do this by dragging and dropping it into the window
of Ask Google Webmasters. Today's question is from...
As you can hear, the video is in English. Now I go to transcribe video. I select the language of the video and click on Transcribe Now. Now it takes a moment for the transcription to be completed. The sound from the video will now be uploaded. This takes a minute, depending on the size of the file. Here you can now see that the transcription is being carried out. You can also listen to the original sound of the video here.
All but one are usually hidden out there on the web.
Okay, let's wait a moment. When the transcription is ready, you can click on View Transcription. Here you have an overview of the transcription, and you can also download the transcription as WebVTT. Now we can adjust the text. We can remove or deactivate incorrectly recognized words or sentences. Sometimes it happens that no sentences but words are recognized. In this case, we can click on Join Sentences. Under the text field you can also see information about the text. Several speakers are recognized. In the video we only have one speaker, but two were recognized. This is not a problem. We now translate the texts into German first and then simply select a voice for speaker 1. As you can see, the text has now been translated. Now select a voice and press Create Voices. That takes a moment. In the background you can already see how the voices are added exactly to the position in the video. That's it, we translated our first video into German. Let's look at the result.
Willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge.
That sounds strange. We now hear the English and German voice. We have to turn the original sound of the video down or mute it.
Willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge von Ask Google Webmasters. Die heutige Frage stammt von Marcus Capley. Marcus.
That is much better. Now I can export my video, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.